Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have been making new kinds of swipe tools. That one I should have wiped off. Maybe it'll be fresh enough. Well, at least you can see it. There's a fishtail on that end and a rounded end on that end that you can actually see, minus that, sans that dot. So I've got some hot orchid, and I'm going to try my hardest this time to fill in one side of the canvas in a short amount of space, and then move to the other side and use up more area. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. It's on my Amazon link, where if you shop there it's at no added cost to you, and I guarantee that 99% of you who have bought this spatula or more have fallen right in love with it. Okay, so that's my start. I'm feeling like just being playful because I can. Because as long as I get a background layer on my canvas, I should be all set. You know what? I'm going to go in the opposite direction. I really want to do that with Floetrol. But I'm getting cells anyway, so I guess I didn't need the Floetrol. So it's turning out to be a spatula swipe. It's fairly even too. I'm going to grab a whole bunch more of Hot Orchid from Color Art, which is a prism pour, and just have some fun. I'm not thinking about this to overly amount much. That is some Anita's White Metallic with Venetian Blue in it. What do I want in there? I want some black. I really do. Do I dare? Maybe purple. Maybe the dark purple's the ticket. I want these to go all the way over here. Now I'm going to get out my Floetrol again. And if this is the first round, that's fine. I'll deal with that. And I put that swipe card right down where I could find it. Right where? Oh, come on. I gotta quit doing that. I gotta have one spot to put it down in. Okay, well, I really do want that. I'm losing it. It was right here. It's probably right. There it is. See? I told you it's right here. So, do I want to use the fishtail yet? No, not yet. Alright, so let's just start in the middle. Use my residuals, go to the end. Hopefully it'll be the same on both sides. Before I go back, I want to go back down the middle. I'm going to grab myself a scrape dish so I can keep my wonderful colors, and if I need them to go over the edges, I will. I want to go the opposite direction. No, I'm going to just keep doing what I'm doing for right now. I'm going to move it up a little. No, I'm going to touch and then move it up a little bit. Scrape off so I can get the same kind of mark in a semi-symmetrical situation. Now if I put gold across the bottom now, I can pull back up again. I kind of want to keep the color on my card, but I also want some black, and I didn't ever put that in there, and I said I was going to do that. I'm going to put that Floetrol all the way down. Just tap in Canvases are primed, so you don't really have to do what I just did. That's a fabulous color scheme. I'm happy with this. I'm going to grab myself some more Floetrol because I'm running low in my dish. So hold on a second. And I put it right in the middle, and I'm starting short of the, let's call it a nipple. Love that little bit of blue. Not seeing all that much effect from the black, but there are some nice cells as a result of it. Probably could have chosen to use the black enamel instead. Let's scrape that off again. If nothing else, those scriddlings, which aren't much, honestly. Scriddlings, leftovers. That's a Rosie word. Hi, Rose. It's from a long time ago, too. All my friends back in Maine probably don't even know that I make videos. Yeah, I just keep dipping, because that's the least amount of paint that I can use to fill in my little gaps. I'm going to be torching in a second. I might just leave this right like it is. It's pretty simple, but that's not a bad thing. But there are all kinds of places I could go from here, and I would be okay with that too. You know that about me. So, like I said, I'm starting short. We want to bring something right up the edge. I'm hoping I have enough residuals to get away with that. That's pretty. I'm not sure if it's representative of anything at all except for the colors that I wanted. The only color that's not in there that I would like to have in there is some orange. And because I use orange all the time, I think I'm just going to let this one be the way it is and decide whether I want to just streak a few. Just use the tip of that swipe tool just to drag. Hopefully that's going to look okay. I never did use my fishtail. I'll have to do that another time. So I love you guys. There's over 91,000 of you, and there's over 1,800 videos. If you check my all playlist, creative playlist, you'll find what you're looking for. And if you don't, ask me. You can always ask me questions. If you are looking to be able to have an opportunity to win one of my artworks, please check the exhibition video on the end screen of every video, because I have a monthly drawing, and that's where I put the prizes for whoever's name is drawn. It's in the last 20 seconds of the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It's a big help to me. I really appreciate it. Liking my video helps my standing for my channel to survive on YouTube. It's not doing as well as I'd like it to, and your assistance is appreciated very much. I am going to probably be spending a few minutes, a little time, taking the paint that I've got in my dish and covering this one edge. I should torch. I keep looking at this canvasy area, wondering if I should pull back from the other side, and wondering what color it would be if I were going to do that. And it would probably be, you know, I really just like it how it is, she said as she fixed it anyway. I think it'll be okay. I hope so. Can't trust me. Just can't trust me. But at least I've got my swipe card, and I'm going to use the smaller. I'm going to actually push it back. I don't know where that came from. Push it back before I pull it forward. Push it back, pull it forward. Push it back, pull it forward. And it's got a more mottled texture, and that's okay with me. Push it back after I put a little more Floetrol on there too. Push it back, pull it forward. little more Floetrol, push it back, pull it forward. Use your residuals. I think another gold dot is required right there. A lot of times I'll put up with a little raw canvas and know that using something to finish will be okay, make it okay. But right now I just didn't want that canvas showing. And I knew it wasn't going to change so much that it would bother me, but it was going to change enough to make me feel better. So, give yourself permission to do what makes you feel better, is today's lesson. So, pretty colors. A little more canvas right there. A little more right here. And I'm happy with that. It's very different, and that's a good thing. Different is good. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Not that I really think that there are any, because when I swipe, it pretty much kills any air bubbles. But rather than take the risk of having something dry and pop and leave a little crater, or dry and leave a little bubble, I'd rather not risk it. Yeah, no, I see that. Somebody's like, don't you see that? And I do. Occasionally I see things after the recording. Okay, those look like very pink northern lights to me. So I love you guys. There's over 91,000 of you. I think I might have said that. I'm almost at 91,500. It takes a while these days. It didn't used to be that way. That's the way it is now. Loving the gold with the blue down at the bottom, and that little tiny bit of drop of black is just enough to make all the difference. So the Linktree link underneath the video has pixels.com, Fine Art America, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more for shopping, pixels.com and Fine Art America. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors will share with you the albums of my artworks from YouTube. If you are interested in making a purchase, look under the link tree for my email address, and if you're inquiring about a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, you are also welcome to use that email address to inquire. My Amazon link is also in the link tree, and there are 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, both mine in volume 1 and 2, and all kinds of other really cool tools. And if you shop there, it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. If you have questions, please ask. The community board below my YouTube channel banner will show you what tomorrow's video is most of the time, as will Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all the time this time. Don't forget to look at the exhibition video on the end screen for the prizes this month, in case you're interested in getting into that. I never have more than 20 people. I love you guys. I'm going to try and zoom in. Nice colors. Nice cells too. Not like a massive overabundance, but really pretty. Right there. I wanted to do something that was less uniform than the last couple things I did, and this is working for me. Alright, you guys, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. If I forgot anything, like the Teespring clothing all over print leggings and t-shirts, you'll see it in another video. So thank you guys so much for being here. I love you dearly. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Wishing I had more purple like that over here, but it's okay. I'll be good. See ya.